In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make name label stickers in Canva. First, open Canva and, in the search bar, type sticker or label. You'll see a library of pre-sized options that fit common sheets. If you already know the exact size of your page, you can create a custom size design instead. A4 or US letter are great starting points for printing a full sheet at home. Once your canvas opens, choose a template that matches your vibe. There are playful designs for kids, elegant watercolor looks, and clean business styles. If you prefer full control, pick a blank page and build from scratch. The benefit there is you can tailor every detail to your brand or occasion. Add your text by selecting the text tool and typing the name you want on the label. Keep it short so it stays readable at small sizes. If you'll make multiple names later, perfect one label first. It's faster to duplicate a finished design than to fix 10. Now customize. Experiment with fonts and colors until the name is clear and the style feels right. Bold sans serifs are great for legibility, while script fonts add personality. Just be sure there's enough contrast with the background. Head to Elements to search for icons, shapes, or simple illustrations that match your theme. Subtle lines or rounded shapes can create tidy borders. If you have a logo or photo, upload it and place it beside or behind the text, then reduce transparency if it competes with the name. When you're happy with one label, duplicate it and arrange copies across the page. Canva's alignment guides will help you keep everything straight and evenly spaced. Leave a little room between labels so they're easy to cut, and consider grouping each label's parts so nothing shifts while you duplicate. Ready to export? Click Share, then Download. For best print quality, choose PDF print. If you're sending the file to a professional printer, turn on crop marks and bleed so they can trim precisely. For digital only or print on demand sticker machines, PNG works well. Just confirm the background needs to be transparent before checking that option. Finally, print. At home, use sticker paper compatible with your printer, set scale to 100, and select high quality print. Or skip the hassle and use Canva Print for professionally cut, vibrant stickers delivered to your door. Thanks for watching.